Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another wig unboxing first impression video. Today we are unboxing the Freetress Equal Valentino unit. This is a synthetic unit. It has a 5-inch lace part, as you guys can see here, so pretty long. It's hand-tied lace. This is made with a synthetic fiber that is heat safe up to 400 degrees, so if you wanted to flat iron this, if you wanted to put curls back into this, waves, whatever you wanted to do, you are able to do that up to 400 degrees. I did get this in a jet black one. That is my color preference. And then as always on the information card, you do get additional colors that this unit comes in, as well as care instructions for the unit. All right, so getting into cap construction, you guys can see that there are 2 combs directly surrounding the parting space. And then there is a comb at the bottom as well as adjustable straps. So straight out of the package, this is what the unit looks like. Wow, 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 wee, wow. What are we working with here? You guys, it didn't even come with any lace. I had to double check this and say, wait, did I trim the lace off of that? Did I do that? Did I do that? But it didn't come with any lace, and I think I spy some baby hairs. I don't know. I'm hoping that's not baby hair, but it didn't come with any lace. So this is what it looks like. We are on a kick here of units that you can just slap on, slap and go. That's what we are on here. Units you can take out of the package and just keep it pushing. This looks decent. It's not my final styling, but it looks decent. Somebody could pull this off. It's not me. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go in, style it, come back to you guys and give you guys my final thoughts and opinions on the unit. All right, so we're back. This is the final styling of the unit. As always with my parting space, I went in and touched it up with my Ultra Contour Kit Bombshell Bronzer and just applied that up and down the parting space. To give this a little more volume and make sure that it was not plastered to my head, I went in with this Got To Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray, and I just held out a chunk, sprayed it in between there, and then just let it sit. Didn't brush it back out, so lightly teased the hair and let it fall back into place, and that gave it some more body so it's not really too cemented to my head, and it, you know, it looks better. I did go in and brush it out. This is a synthetic unit. In terms of length, you guys can see that it comes down here. It falls under the bust. My belly button is here, and I am 5'9.5". In terms of the parting space, it does go pretty far back, goes all the way back here. It is a middle part. That's typically what I gravitate towards. One complaint, I don't like this one piece. There's this one piece here that just keeps falling, and I'm trying to fold it in so that it can frame my face and get out of the way. But that one bang, I don't like bangs that are not evenly cut. Everything else seems to fall in line, but that one chunk is a straggler. In terms of the combs and the adjustable straps, I didn't go in and use any of those. It is fitting nice and securely to my head. Don't feel like it's gonna slide back. When I was putting on, I made sure to pull it a little bit more forward than I normally would, because when I did originally put it on, then you could see the wig cap. So just be mindful of the positioning, because sometimes I do slap a wig on and just say, it feels right. But you do want to double check and just make sure that the positioning, I had to pull it down just a little bit, a little further than I normally would. But you guys can still see I have ample forehead space. In terms of shedding, I didn't get any shedding actually. I brushed through and it wasn't a tangled unit. However, now that I've added this blasting freeze spray, then I do anticipate getting some shedding, but in the styling process, I didn't. I do think that those stragglers we saw initially were meant to be baby hairs. However, they weren't evenly distributed. They were just like horns. They were in there, they were kind of random, 2 big chunks. So I just brushed it out and they kind of disappeared. In terms of texture of this unit, when I was looking in the mirror, you guys can, maybe you can see it. It has a little bit of texture to it. So this is a kinky straight unit. However, moving into the luster, it is very, very shiny. So then it makes it look pretty plasticky. It makes it look very, very synthetic with the shine. This had potential. The shine just needed to come down a little bit, but it does have that kinky straight type of texture to it. So to combat some of that shine, you want to use dry shampoo, or I've heard people using baby powder or cornstarch, whatever works for you, whatever you have available, and then just using that and hitting the roots and hitting other particular points. I would just do it all over, but mainly concentrated at the roots and places that are focal points. So right around my face is where I would focus it, and try not to have too much of heavy hands so that you're not creating gray hairs. But touch it up with some dry shampoo and that'll tone down the shine. So yeah, overall, I think that this is a really cute unit. Definitely, again, wish that it wasn't so shiny, but I like it. We can add it to the arsenal of wigs that you can just pop on and go. Very minimal manipulation for this. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, definitely leave them down below in the comment section. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, share this video with a friend, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below on your way out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.